Welcome to our channel. Today we how to activate SAP SuccessFactors reporting with secure access, complete guide step by step clearly. To activate SAP SuccessFactors reporting with secure access, begin by logging into your SAP SuccessFactors account. Navigate to the Admin Center from the main dashboard. In the search bar, type reporting and select the reporting section from the drop-down. Look for the Manage User Access option under the reporting section. Click on Manage User Access to open the configuration window. Here, you will find a list of users currently assigned reporting roles. To grant secure access, click on Add User or select an existing user from the list. For new users, enter their details including email address and role type. Ensure that you select the Secure Access checkbox for the relevant reporting roles. Next, configure the permissions based on the reporting needs of the user. Once all settings are adjusted, click on Save to apply the changes. Now, navigate back to the reporting section within the Admin Center. Select the Analytics option to access advanced reporting features. You may need to configure report settings to specify data access levels. Choose the data sources that require secure reporting access. Once data sources are configured, save your settings to finalize. Next, proceed to test reporting access for the users you've modified. Log in as one of the users with newly assigned secure access. Attempt to generate a report to ensure permissions are correctly set. If any issues arise, revisit the Manage User Access settings. Adjust permissions or settings as necessary to resolve any access problems. With users successfully accessing reports, ensure to monitor usage and permissions regularly. Regular audits will help maintain the integrity of your reporting environment. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the Reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.